Today we will discuss how to solve number 37, an algebra-based free response problem from the SAT practice test number 1, which will be linked in the description. But before I begin, take a moment to pause the video and attempt the problem for yourself. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. So Jessica opened a bank account that earns 2% interest compounded annually. Her initial deposit was $100. And she used the expression 100 times x to the power of t to find the value of the account for t years. What is the value of x in the expression? So, right off the bat, I can tell this is the part of the equation, the formula, final amount is show 1 plus minus rate, and then by the number of changes. So we know this equation is used to find the deposit after t years, which is the final amount. Initial amount is $100, and then x would represent 1 plus or minus the rate, and to the power of number of changes. It's asking for the value of x in this question, so we already know that the bank account earns 2% interest compounded annually. So what our rate would be 2%, but we wouldn't put just 2% because that would then, if we put 2, then it would be greater than 1, and that would give like a whole value of 3. Instead, 2% represents 0.02, since 2 by 100 is equal to 0.02, which just represents 2% in decimal form. So what we'll do is, I'll just label this F for now, equals 100, 1 plus, because it earns, that's a key word, so it earns 0.02, and then to the power of t, we're not given a value, so we'll just leave it at that. So the x would not be 0.02 as we haven't added 1 to it yet. So this is equal to 1.02. So the value of x in the expression is 1.02, as the bank account earns 2% interest compounded annually, or earns 1.02%.